In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dependent in TurboTax using the My Info section. Adding a dependent correctly can help you qualify for valuable tax credits and may increase your refund. So let's walk through it carefully from start to finish. First, log in to TurboTax using your usual credentials and open your current tax return. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and select My Info. This is the hub for your household details and filing profile. On the My Info page, go to the Personal Info Summary. You'll see your basic information listed there. Scroll until you find the section labeled Dependents. When you're ready, click Add a Dependent. You'll be prompted to enter the dependent's details. Type the dependent's full legal name exactly as it appears on their Social Security card, enter their birth date, and choose the relationship that best describes how this person is related to you, such as child, stepchild, foster child, or another qualifying relative. Next, enter the Social Security number. Take your time and double-check every digit. It's essential that this matches government records. Even a small typo can delay processing or affect your eligibility for credits. TurboTax will ask a series of follow-up questions about the dependent. Answer carefully. You'll see questions about where the dependent lived during the year, how long they lived with you, and whether you provided more than half of their financial support. You may also be asked about their student status, disability, or whether they can be claimed by someone else. These questions determine which credits you can claim and ensure the IRS rules are met. For support, think broadly. Housing, food, clothing, medical care, and transportation can count, while certain student scholarships usually don't. For residency, consider where the dependent spent nights. Temporary absences like school, medical care, or military service typically still count as living with you. As you work through these prompts, keep in mind that accurate answers can affect credits such as the child tax credit or the credit for other dependents, and may influence your filing status eligibility. If you're unsure about a definition, use the on-screen help text and reference documents like school records, custody agreements, or support summaries to answer confidently. After you've completed the questions, review the information to make sure everything is correct and consistent. Correct spelling, accurate dates, and a matching Social Security number are key. When it all looks good, click Continue to save. That's it. You've added a dependent in TurboTax through the My Info section. Keep any supporting documents in a safe place, and avoid sharing sensitive details publicly. If you need to revisit anything later, you can return to My Info and make updates before you file.